At the Green Parts Specialists, we're committed to making vehicle repair more sustainable and cost-effective, one green part at a time. As the UK's leading supplier of quality-assured green parts, we help customers access reliable, affordable alternatives to brand new components while reducing the environmental impact. So, what are green parts? When a car reaches the end of its life, many of its components are still in great condition. By removing these parts and reusing them in other vehicles, we give them a second life, reducing waste and helping to prevent thousands of tons of automotive materials from ending up in landfills each year. With over 300,000 professionally graded parts in stock, next-day delivery, and a 12-month warranty on most parts, we provide a fast, dependable solution to modern supply chain challenges without compromising on quality or safety. In this video, we'll show you how we process end-of-life vehicles, harvest usable components, and get those parts directly to your door. Depollution and preparation. We depollute each vehicle, safely removing fluids and hazardous materials before stripping out components. Reuse and recycle. We recycle 97.3% of every vehicle, minimizing waste and reducing the environmental impact of automotive manufacturers and suppliers. From tires and alloys to glass, wiring, and catalytic converters, we make the most of every remainder part. Tires with less than 5mm tread are processed in the UK by an approved partner and turned into clean rubber crumb. Alloy wheels are sold in bulk for recycling for reuse as aluminium. Our partnership with Auto Windscreens ensures that our technicians are trained to remove and recycle vehicle glass safely and effectively. Any glass and metals are separated and removed for reuse as raw materials and eco-sand, and the shell is baled for recycling. Catalytic converters are recycled to reclaim and reuse precious metals, and batteries, including electric and hybrid, are recycled. Parts extraction. We then move on to the extraction of vehicle parts that can be sold for reuse, such as panels, bumpers, tires, mechanical parts, and more. These are carefully inspected through our stringent quality control process before being cleaned and imaged, ready for sale. Every part is inspected, graded, and matched via VIN to ensure fit and traceability, so our customers always know the origin of the parts they use. Part storage. Every part is digitally logged with full provenance back to the vehicle it was removed from and stored in our warehouse using sustainable packaging. Parts ordering. When it comes to ordering parts, we've made the process quick and easy with our Green Parts portal, which allows instant ordering, back ordering, and VIN traceable part provenance. You can even request specific parts and we'll provide a quote in less than 30 minutes. We sell thousands of parts every month to the general public, as well as to insurance, fleet, body shop, and garage industries through the Green Parts portal and our online stores. Parts delivery. Our UK-wide next-day delivery service ensures that our customers can get the parts they need when they need them. Our network of delivery hubs provides fast and efficient delivery services to our customers and helps us to reduce our road miles and lower our carbon footprint. So now you've seen the impact we're having on the environment and the green parts industry, we hope you will join us as a partner in the ongoing green parts revolution. And that's how you get the right part first time, on time, every time with the Green Parts Specialists.